Did you know that acidic bodies attract the overgrowth of disease-causing bacteria and viruses like influenza and coronavirus? The acid-alkaline balance in our body is a key component of overall good health, and one of the most important ways of impacting health status. Raising pH to an alkaline state increases the ability of the immune system to kill bacteria, a study at the Royal Free Hospital and Medicine School in London concludes. The body's natural pH balance, which is mildly alkaline, must be preserved to make us feel our happiest and most energetic. The alkaline body can absorb up to 20 times more oxygen than the acidic body. These are the words of Dr. Otto Warburg, Nobel Prize winner for his work on respiratory enzymes and cancer. Do you catch colds and flu frequently? Are you susceptible to mouth sores, sensitive teeth, and sore throat? Are you mentally tired after an hour of desk work? All these symptoms and more can be linked as an overacidic condition to an imbalance in the pH of the body. pH is a function of fluid acidity and/or alkalinity. Body pH is the key indicator of balance in the internal fluids of the body, including blood, urine, saliva, and the fluids between the cells, as well as within them. The viruses and bacteria which cause bronchitis and colds thrive in an acidic environment. Keeping our pH in the slightly alkaline range of 6.8 to 7.2 can reduce the risk and lessen the severity of colds, sore throats, and bouts of influenza. To increase infection protection, start your day with an alkalizing lemon and aloe vera juice drink. Add green food powder and leafy greens to your smoothies. Consume 75 to 80% of your foods and beverages from the alkaline forming foods chart. Numerous studies in the last 10 years have shown a strong relationship between food and low-grade acidosis. Our daily eating habits have a great effect on the body's pH. The typical Western diet is an acid-forming diet, low in the valuable alkaline minerals. The good news is that by consuming a diet high in alkaline-forming foods such as dark leafy greens and adding extra alkaline minerals and superfoods, a change in your body's pH balance can occur fairly quickly. Though it may take months to reduce tissue damage and restore optimal immune, nerve and organ function. There are some alkaline power foods such as lemon, apple cider vinegar, aloe vera juice, chlorella, spirulina, and other green food powders, as well as citrate minerals of potassium, magnesium, and calcium, that when added to alkaline water or spring water will help balance the body's pH. Lastly, cold OTC medications are acid-forming, as are most medications. When feeling stressed or a cold coming on, make yourself a natural lemon, honey and ginger drink. Activities that are soothing and relaxing reduce stress and will help make us more alkaline.